Hey guys, it's Cyber Sophie here. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm sorry if I'm breathing loud because I just ran up and down the stairs to get the supplies for this video. So yeah. But anyways, I got all the supplies. I got some contact solution. I don't think you can see it, but I mean, that's fine. I got some glue. I got some food coloring, and I got some baking soda to help activate because just with the contact solution, that does not help by itself. So yeah, I do need baking soda with it. So yeah, let's get started. So first we're gonna add in the Elmer's glue. So I'm gonna open it and dump it. I'm literally running out of glue. My YouTube channel is not that perfect as other people, but who cares? I'm still trying to make a YouTube channel. Oops, sorry. Okay, I forgot a spoon. Great. Okay, that's fine. Let's just continue with the slime video. My favorite color is pink and blue, and if I mix that, that will become purple. So I guess I'll just do pink instead. I do like purple, but that's fine. I'll just do one color today. Just add 2 drops. That's enough. Okay, this will be really quick. I just have to go run downstairs and get a mixing tool. It doesn't have to be a spoon, but I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I got a plastic spoon because I couldn't find anything else, so let's start mixing. It probably looks red from the device I'm using, but it's actually pink in person. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm not mixing well. It's just that I can't mix well. So yeah. Anyway, so that's mixed up. Now we might add decoration, we might not, but I'll look at my glitter section. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I do have pink glitter, but I'd rather pick purple glitter because I want a different color. So yeah. But now I'm just gonna add the purple. So this is fluffy glitter, so yeah. They're little bits of glitter. I don't want them all over my floor. So yeah. I don't really like that, but that's okay. I'm doing it for you guys. Anyway, let's start mixing the glitter in. So after I make the slime, I might not, it might not show the glitter. That's fine. I don't think you guys see the glitter. That's okay. We're just gonna start activating anyway. Okay. So I got the contact solution, pouring it in. I don't know if you see it, but anyway, that's that. And now I'm adding some baking soda. Oh wow, I think I'm just gonna overactivate the slime, but let's just see what happens, I guess. Okay, so I'm starting to mix it right now. Sorry if the camera is shaking or the device that I'm using is shaking. I don't know, I'm just shaking it on accident because the camera is in front of me and the slime is like in really far away from me, so I'm having a very hard time, but it's fine. I'm just trying to make the slime perfectly or good. Oh my god, I'm literally moving the camera so much. But anyway, I'm just, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna start fixing this. I might go to the other side where there's no camera, whatever, so then I can actually mix properly. Oh, it's forming. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so mad right now. Did I overactivate it? Okay, well, if it's still sticky, I'm not gonna, I'm not just gonna leave it. I'm gonna activate it later. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this plastic spoon there, and I'm gonna take the slime and put it on my box where I put slimes that I make to play with it or something like that. And this is the finishing of my slime that I made for all of you. It's pretty sticky, so I'm just gonna activate it, and I don't edit, so yeah. I'm just gonna activate it while filming. I'm not gonna cut the video to activate this. I'm gonna show you guys me activating. Oh my god, my hands are too close to the camera. Okay, I'll show you guys ASMR after I finish this, after I activate this. Oh my god, the camera's shaking. Okay, here's ASMR in 3, 2, 1. Remember, this is a glossy slime, so it's super clicky and everything. So yeah. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.